In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix can't click on taskbar on Windows 11. So let's get started. So first is we have to restart the Windows Explorer. So for that, press Ctrl Shift plus Escape keys on keyboard. Ctrl Shift and Escape key to open the Task Manager window. Maximize it. In the search bar, type Explorer. Then right-click on the Windows Explorer and select Restart. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful videos and tutorials for you. So once you click on the Restart button, then try to click on your taskbar. Now for the next method is we can also run a command in the command prompt. So for that, press Ctrl Shift and Escape key again. Then maximize it. Click on Run New Task, then type CMD. Then click on OK. Okay, so here I'm going to paste this command. dism.exe space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup dash image space forward slash restore health, hit enter. And you just need to wait for the process to be done. Okay, so once this is done, once this is 100% completed, so you have to patiently wait for this. If you are getting stuck at a certain percentage, simply wait for that. Then once done, you have to press the Windows key on your keyboard and then right click at the start button, and right click at the power button and select restart. Okay. Next method is we also have to update the graphics card driver. So for that, press Windows key and R, type devmgmt.msc and click on OK to open the device manager window. Locate display adapters, click on the arrow to expand the list. Right click on your graphics card, select update drivers, search automatically for drivers. Right click again on your graphics card, select properties. Click on the driver tab. If the rollback driver is applicable or if the rollback driver is not grayed out or available on your Windows, then simply click also on the rollback driver. Okay, click on OK. The next method, press Windows key and R again. Type RSTRUI. RSTRUI, click on OK to open the System Restore window. Click on Next. Now here you have to simply choose the date as to where you're not having the error with, okay? Choose the date as to where you're not having the error with and then click on next and the system restore will start. So you just need to wait for that, okay? So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.